Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, on the previous video, we had read the lesson number 5, Tubby the Fat Cat. So today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to do the exercises of lesson number 5. So quickly take out your Pearl book, page number 47. 4747, page number 47. So quickly take out your Pearl book, pencil and eraser. Okay kids, now in this first exercise what we have to do, tick the correct words. So in the blank, filling the blank is given over here and two options are given over there and we have to select the correct option. हमें correct option को select करना है और blank में हमें लिखना है. So the first question is Andy was a dash. So Andy was a fat cat और Andy was a 7-year-old boy. Andy कौन था? Fat cat थी Andy? Fat cat था Andy? कि Andy 7-year-old boy था? कौन था Andy? Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So take the answer B1. The correct answer is B1, 7-year-old boy. So write it on the blank. Okay. Now the second question is Andy's father wanted him to go to bed early so that he could get enough dash. The options are food and the second option is sleep and rest. So what will be the answer? Andy's father wanted him to go to bed early so that he could get enough. Andy के पापा चाहते थे कि वो सोने जल्दी जाए. अर्ली मीन्स जल्दी जाए. सो दैट ही कुड गेट इनफ. उसको इनफ क्या मिले? फूड मिले कि उसको स्लीप और रेस्ट इनफ मिले? वो बेड में क्यों जाए अर्ली? बिकॉज उसको स्लीप और रेस्ट मिले. सो द सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. सो टिक द सेकेंड ऑप्शन and write this in the blank also. Sleep and rest. B1 is correct. Okay students. So tick the B1. Sleep and rest. Now the third question is Andy's grandfather had a pet cat named, and the options are A1 Tubby and the B1 Peter. So Andy's grandfather, Andy के जो grandfather थे means दादाजी थे, had a pet cat named, उनके पास एक pet cat थी. Pet cat means जिसको हम पालते हैं. पालतू cat थी, बिल्ली थी. उसका नाम क्या था? Tubby था कि Peter था? So it is written in the lesson name itself, Tubby the fat cat. So correct option is Tubby. So take the A1. A option is correct and write it on the blank also. Now the fourth question is Andy was dash to find Tubby in his bed, and the option are A1 happy and the B1 is surprised. So what is the question? Andy was dash to find Tubby in his bed. Andy जब Tubby को बेड में देखा तो वो क्या हुआ था? हैप्पी हुआ था कि सरप्राइज्ड हुआ था? हैप्पी मीन्स खुश और सरप्राइज्ड मीन्स चौंक जाना. सो क्या हुआ था? वो हैप्पी हुआ था क्या बेड में देख के? नो, ही वॉज surprised. So the correct answer is surprised. So tick the B1 and write this on the blank also. Okay. Now the fifth question is Tubby was dash in Andy's bed. Tubby was dash in Andy's bed, and the options are snoring like a train. The option A is snoring like a train and the option B is playing. Tubby was dash in Andy's bed. Tubby Andy के बेड में क्या कर रहा था? स्नोरिंग लाइक अ ट्रेन, वो ट्रेन की तरह स्नोर कर रहा था, खुर्राटे मार रहा था ट्रेन की आवाज़ की तरह कि वो खेल रहा था. टबी क्या कर रहा था? द ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. टबी वॉज snoring like a train in Andy's bed. So the option A is correct. Take the option A and write it down in the blank also. Okay kids, now we are going to do the next exercise. Read these sentences and answer the question. So what we have to do, we have to read the sentence and we have to answer it. So the first one is, I think I have an idea. So what is the question? Who said these words? ये words किसने कहे थे? I think and I have an idea. किसने कहा था ये? Lesson में क्या उसके father ने कहा था? No. Mother ने कहा था? No. Who said this? Grandfather, grandpa. Who said these words? Grandfather. Grandpa said these words. Now the second sentence. See, I am writing the answer with blue color. What was the idea? What was the idea? Idea क्या था? What was the idea? Idea क्या था? Can anyone tell me what was the idea? The idea was that they should take the Tubby the fat cat with them. So the answer is, the idea was that Andy's parents take Tubby with them. Idea क्या था? क्या दिया था grandfather ने idea? कि उसके एंडीज के पेरेंट्स टबी को वो अपने साथ ले जाएं. So now, but what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. Who entered the bedroom? Andy. उसको क्या सरप्राइज हुआ था? Who entered the bedroom? बेडरूम के अंदर कौन एंटर हुआ था? Who entered the bedroom? So the answer is Andy entered. Andy entered the bedroom. Now the B question related to the same sentence. Why was he surprised? वो surprised क्यों हुआ था? Why Andy was surprised? Can anyone tell me? Andy was surprised to find Tubby sprawled in his bed. Andy क्यों surprised हुआ था? देख के कि वो बेड में आराम से फैल के सो रहा है. So in this questions, in this exercise, what we have to do, one sentence is given and related to that sentence, two questions are asked to us and we have to give the answer. सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है और उसी सेंटेंस से रिलेटेड हमसे 1 या 2 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए, हमें उसका आंसर देना है. ओके किड्स, सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वाज, आई थिंक आई हैव एन आइडिया. So who said these lines? These lines were said by the grandpa. Grandpa said these words. So the second question is, what was the idea? Idea क्या था? The idea was that Andy parents take Tubby with them. Now the second sentence. ये अभी first sentence के 2 questions थे, अब second sentence में read कर रही हूँ. But what a surprise when he entered his bedroom. So the question is, who entered the bedroom? bedroom के अंदर कौन enter किया था? Andy. Andy entered the bedroom. Now the second question is, why was he surprised? वो surprised क्यों हुआ था? Andy was surprised to find Tubby sprawled in his bed. वो इसलिए surprised हुआ था क्योंकि जब वो entered हुआ bedroom के अंदर, उसने देखा कि टबी वहाँ पर आराम से फैल के सो रहा है. Okay kids? Now students, we are going to do the next exercise. Okay? C1. Now student, in this exercise what we have to do? Write Andy or Tubby. So sentences are given over here. हमको बताना है कि वो किससे रिलेट करता है, एंडी से, एंडी द बॉय, और टबी द कैट, वो किससे रिलेट करता है. ओके किड्स, सो first I am going to read this. I am going to read the sentence and you have to give me the answer. Dash was a 7-year-old boy. So boy कौन था? टबी था कि एंडी था? You all know this? The answer is Andy. 7-year-old boy कौन था? एंडी था. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So write the answer Andy over here. Now the second one. Dash was a fat cat. Fat cat कौन थी? Tubby. So the answer is Tubby was a fat cat. So write here Tubby, Tubby. Now the third sentence. Dash did not go to sleep on time. Time से कौन सोने नहीं जाता था बेड में? Andy. Andy did not go to sleep on time. So write the answer Andy over here. Now the fourth one. Father told Dash that it was important to sleep and rest. Father ने किसको कहा था? टबी को कहा था कि अपने सन को कहा था, अपने बेटे को कहा था? किसको कहा था ये फादर ने? फादर ने कहा था ये चीज़ अपने सन को, अपने बेटे को. फादर टोल्ड एंडी. एंडी था उनका बेटा. फादर टोल्ड एंडी दैट इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू स्लीप एंड रेस्ट. नाउ द फिफ्थ वन. Grandpa suggested that Dash could help them. Grandpa ने क्या suggest किया था? क्या advice दी थी? Grandpa suggested that Tubby could help them. So the answer is Tubby, Tubby. Now the sixth one. Dash was able to help Dash to sleep on time. किसने किसकी हेल्प की थी? किसकी हेल्प से कौन सोने वाला था? टबी की हेल्प से एंडी सोने वाला था. सो ऑन द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक व्हाट विल कम? टबी. टबी वॉज एबल टू हेल्प, एंड इन द सेकेंड ब्लैंक व्हाट विल कम? एंडी. एंडी go to sleep on time. So Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. So students, in this exercise what we have to do, हमको sentences दिए हुए हैं और हमको उसमें सही आंसर लिखना है. 2 options are given. एंडी और टबी, वो एंडी से रिलेट करता है, एंडी द बॉय 7-year-old boy, और टबी द फैट कैट. ओके, so the first answer in the first blank answer is Andy. Andy was a 7-year-old boy. In the second sentence, Tubby is the answer. Tubby was a fat cat. In the third sentence, again Andy is the answer. Andy did not go to sleep on time. On the fourth sentence, again Andy is the answer. Father told Andy that it was important to sleep and rest. Now in the fifth sentence, Tubby is the answer. Grandpa suggested that Tubby could help them. And in the sixth, Tubby and Andy, both the words will come. In the first blank, Tubby will come, and in the second blank, Andy will come. Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on Tubby. Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. So students, I hope you all understood this exercise. Okay. So now students, what you have to do, you have to note down all these exercises in the book itself. No need to copy it down in the notebook. आपको ये सारी exercises book में ही करनी है. Okay, so this third exercise C1 is very simple. Andy is a boy, a 7-year-old boy, and Tubby is a fat cat. Okay. So students, on the next video, we are going to do the exercises of the same lesson. I hope students, you all are taking good care of yourself, taking care of your studies also. Goodbye students, take care.